Hey y'all, it's your girl EverythingzTay, and I had a photo shoot today. So I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about my look and my outfit that I came up with. So I did a natural look, well, natural on the face. I did a little bit of dramatic eye as far as a little bit of smoky eye, got a little bit of color in my crease, got the hair up in a ponytail. And as far as my style, I am very laid back, chill, but cute. Show a little bit of sexiness with the shoulders out. And it's just a cute little crop top shirt. I got this from Plato's Closet. Also, I have on some nice little boyfriend jeans. Kind of see a little bit. And I also wear some Chucks. So I was going for a real laid back vintage style for this shoot today. And yeah, I just like to be comfortable. Just comfortable and cute and sexy. All three. Give y'all some looks. So if you want to see more looks like this or tips of how to style for your photo shoot, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That is EverythingzTay, Everything's with a Z. Tay. I do hair, makeup. As you can see, I'm a little bit of a fashionista. Not really, but still cute. So y'all see me here on this channel, and make sure you subscribe and join the family. Bye. Yes, it does. You have to put in EverythingzTay. EverythingzTay with a Z. Tay.
Thank you.
On YouTube.
Do it over.
I'm probably not gonna get no more closer.
Yeah, but you gotta look directly because it's a little lower than your camera height. I gotta raise up a little bit. Hold on.
Hey, with the flip out. With the flip out. See, that's all I need. I need a flip out. Okay, cool. Ooh.
Now, if you walk behind the light, then the light's supposed to help light. You can walk with it, but however you want to do it.
Now I gotta start over. So this is what I do in front of the camera. Let's see. I know you can edit this stuff. Let's see. Bother me. Goodness gracious.
You got on and why you put it on?
Okay. Whenever you're ready. I'm on a roll.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you lied to me?
Am I nervous? I'm
You
not
said
nervous
you be
now.
I forgot. We put the filter on there, and so it's looking a little green. I don't want you to look greener.
Let's put the filter on there. Oh, look, now, bam.
You could do stuff like that.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You ain't got to be.
No, I'm playing. They all over me. Oh, it's recording right now?
That's in there.
Do I need to start over? I'm gonna start over. Okay. That's when I fuck up.